This summer, unlike the others, I had to discover what I wanted. On the mountain, I got to feel alone, a pleasant solitude together with nature and in silence. The animals and the trees know how to create a rumor that does not bother, and there I was able to find myself with a live memory of my father, who died suddenly a few months ago. My father had as a hobby to do high mountain races and trekking. He wanted to climb 4,000, and who knows, someday 5,000, he used to say. And the day we buried him, in the middle of the Pyrenees, I felt the warm sun on my face, as if he was caressing me. My summer wish was to feel close to him, walking for him these mountains, and noticing his touch on my face through the sun in each race or walk.